Bitch, I really got it. Just like a rubber band, you know that I'ma pop it. Refresh your page and you gon' see that I'm the topic. You gotta put one in my head for me to stop it. Cause bitch, I got it. These niggas tryna take me out.
So, I'm gonna vlog today because I got my hair done. And since plans didn't work out, I don't want this hairstyle to go to waste, you feel me? So my sister is also in town. And I thought, why not vlog? Hold on, I need some lip gloss, y'all. Alright, I'm back. So yeah, I'm about to go get her. And then I'm gonna take her to go get ready. And then hopefully by that time, I'm hoping Braylon's done with it so he could even come with us maybe. But if not, then it'll just be a me and her thing. And then we'll see where the day leads us. I look so cute though. Hopefully I get some pictures. Currently sitting outside my sister's Airbnb, waiting for her to bring her down here. If you know, you know. Kelly takes years to do anything. Literally, all she had to do was go in there, brush her teeth, and wash her face. I won't see her till tomorrow. But no, for real though. I'm finna call her and tell her to come on, cause like she been in there for a good 30 minutes, maybe 40. I haven't been here that long, but she was here before I even pulled up. And I think I've been sitting outside for about 20 minutes, maybe 15 or so. Even that's enough time to brush your teeth and wash your face. Like, you're not taking a shower, you're not getting dressed. Like, she's already dressed, so. But yeah, I'm gonna update y'all when Kelly gets with me. This is what I'm wearing. So like, a cute little top, goods, you know, little skin, white, and then Uggs to go with the vest. So my sister's finally with me. We're on the way to Lily's for brunch down there. Well, it's still brunch time, but yeah. Brunch ends at like, I say 2 or 3, so by the time we probably eat, it won't be brunch time, but you get what we was going for, you feel me? But yeah, here, talk to him. Say what's up. Hello vlog. Yeah, bye vlog. Why are you acting so fake? I'm not acting fake. I don't know what to say. What's up? Hey, I'm hearing. What's up vlog? How y'all doing? What's up vlog? So we're on our way to brunch. I guess we're taking y'all with us. See you when we get there. Okay, you guys. We're currently out to eat. We both ordered the same thing. Chicken and waffles. Show you my sister. She's trying to make a video of her food. Kelly. Yeah, we got the same thing. Our drinks haven't came out yet. Well, I didn't order my drink yet, but she ordered a drink. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know how it tastes. This is how Lily's look. DJ over there. What do you think? Still waiting on my drink, but I get him a little bit more time. It is good. At first I thought it was not, like, they didn't give me enough, but I don't know if I'm gonna finish it, honestly. Guys, this is my second cup. I'm gonna chug it. Put y'all down so I can chug it. So we're just now leaving Fin and Feathers with Autumn. Sister right there. Coach, why your mouth be open every time I put you on camera?
I'm so sorry, y'all. What's up, y'all? What we doing? On the way to the boat now. You know, we from the boat. Not necessarily from the boat. You know, try the boat.
I'm not bowling. I'm dropping her off at the bowling alley with her friend and her friend people, whatever. And then I'm going to dinner with my nigga. And yeah, we had a cool little day. Let's say we didn't go to the mall. That was in the we didn't go to Forever 21, should I say. That was in the plan at first, but I don't think we didn't do that we planned. But yeah, today was definitely fulfilling. And yeah, I guess I'll let y'all know when we get to the bowling alley, because the reservation for dinner that I have is at 8:45, so I'm actually gonna be pretty early. But I'm trying to drive slower to take up some time because I don't have nothing to do. And at the at Fin and Feathers, we had a little drink. What was it called?
Turn right onto I-75 North.
Wow.
What was the drink?
That was awkward, but it was called something punch. It was a punch.
Rum punch.
There you go.
So we had a rum punch, and then we finished my friend's because she didn't finish hers. So we had one cup of that. It was very strong. Let me tell you that. Very strong. Before we had that, y'all already seen what we had at the at brunch or whatever. So yeah, we've been drinking pretty much all day. I plan to get a shot or two or a drink or two at dinner because I just want to end it off lit. You feel me? I'm not drinking for no reason, if you know what I mean. But yeah, we out. See y'all when we get to the bowling alley. Well, see y'all when we get there. Peace.